Worst thing that anyone can do, any political party, is carry out a political battle over an issue as important as the drug menace, especially in the state of Punjab. So Manjeet Singh GK has to answer a few questions. He's from the Akali Dal. He's president of the Delhi Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee. Sardar RP Singh is national secretary of the BJP, and the Akali BJP infighting, or whatever you call it, is well known now. And Pratap Singh Bajwa is the chief of the Punjab Congress. And Hartosh Singh Bal is political editor of The Caravan. Happy New Year, gentlemen. Let's begin. So my first question, and it's an open debate. Bajwa ji, Sardar RP Singh and Hartosh, it's an open debate. I'll put a few questions to the Akali Dal, and then we can begin the debate. And you can come in when you want. My first question to Manjeet Singh GK is, if you don't want to do anything about the drugs problem, if your party people are themselves involved in the drugs issue, if you are being investigated, your party leaders are being investigated and summoned by the Enforcement Directorate, why do you want to now fight a political battle over it and start blaming the border security force? Just tell the people, Manjeet Singh GK, that we are in league with people. Many of our leaders are in league with the drug peddlers or drug manufacturers, with the narcotics traders. We don't want to do anything about it, and we'll only at the most do politics over it. So Manjeet Singh GK, you can say that we are going to use this issue to square off with the BJP, but we don't intend to solve the drug menace. That's why we call it at times now the drug drama. When will you stop the drug drama, Manjeet Singh GK? Stop the drug drama.
Arnab, now give me the time to answer. The thing is that we are not scaring it with anybody, number one. Secondly, the dharnas which you are calling, it was an awareness drive. It was not against BSF. It was an awareness that across the border, Pakistan must know that the people of Punjab has risen.
Sukhbir Singh Badal says the border is guarded by the BSF, a central force over which we do not have any control. He blames the BSF. Will he blame his brother-in-law?
Arnab,
will he blame Majithia?
It is only.
Will he blame Bikram Majithia, or will he blame the BSF?
I think you should wait for the court. Let the court say that Majithia is involved, and if Majithia is involved, he will be out of the party, and stringent punishment must be given to him. I am telling you on this channel. But before going to the court, I think on this panel, we are nobody to say that Majithia is a culprit or he is accused, number one. Secondly, these drugs are coming from across the border. And then how they are coming. We need to check if there is some weak point at the border.
So they are coming from across the border, and none of you know. None of you know. None of you are responsible. Pratap Singh Bajwa. Pratap Singh Bajwa.
No, let me answer. Let me answer.
Yes. Sir, everybody knows.
Let me answer first.
Sir, first of all, I think it is extremely wrong of you to target the BSF and not question your own state government. You are in power in the state. The police and other agencies are at your disposal. If you want to solve the problem, you can solve the problem. If you want to curb the menace, you can curb the menace. You are in an alliance with the BJP in the center as well as the state. If you have a problem with the BSF's handling of the issue, take it up officially. Don't do this drug drama. Pratap Singh Bajwa is responding. Pratap Singh Bajwa, please, to the opening comments of Manjeet Singh, please. Pratap Singh Bajwa. Pratap Singh Bajwa.
Mr. Arnab Goswami, I would just request Mr. Manjeet Singh GK to just keep quiet for us some time.
He's listening.
The thing is, the Akalis are trying to divert the issue. The issue is not of drugs which are coming from Pakistan or Afghanistan. The basic problem in Punjab is of synthetic drugs. And in that, international smugglers are involved. And one of the warlords who was arrested a year back by the name of Jagdish Singh Bhola, he said that in the last 7 years of the Akali BJP government, they have sold synthetic drug in Punjab and in other states of India to the tune of 6,000 crore rupees.
Exactly.
It's not a small amount, it's a major amount. And my charge is, Arnab, my charge is the Akali Dal government is fully involved in this. The police officials are fully involved. The chain of command of the Punjab police has broken. Unfortunately, the Punjab police has become as an extension counter of the Akalis. And whatever is being done, today you would be surprised. I think so Punjab would be the only state in the nation where police stations every month one has to pay a price of 5 lakh rupees to 10 lakh rupees to remain a SHO. To remain as a SHO to the MLAs or the ministers concerned. Even the police stations in Punjab are being auctioned. Have you ever heard of another state in the nation where police stations are being auctioned?
Well, my point is, Mr. Bajwa, Manjeet Singh GK wants to respond to you.
Arnab,
No, the BJP wants to come in. The BJP wants to come in. My question
Arnab,
is, Mr. RP Singh. No, Mr. RP Singh.
Arnab,
Mr. RP Singh. No, 1 second, please. I think RP Singh wants to come in. RP Singh.
One complete generation has died because of militancy.
RP Singh of the BJP.
And the Akalis were basically the ones who were responsible for that one.
Mr. Bajwa, Mr. RP Singh wants to come in. Please let him.
The younger generation, today Sukhbir Singh Badal.
Sir, let Mr. RP Singh come in, please. I don't think you can hear me,
has named our Vice President Rahul Gandhi. I want to make one thing very clear, Arnab. Whatever Rahul Gandhi ji
should give time to others also.
Said on television was based on the statement, on the affidavit given by the Department of Health, Government of Punjab, in the Honorable High Court, where the Government of Punjab had themselves conceded that 70% of today's youth in Punjab is involved in some drug or the other.
Okay, so Mr. Bajwa, it's an open debate. It's an open debate. You must let the others speak. My question to the BJP is, Mr. Bajwa, I'll come back to you. My question to RP Singh is,
Narendra Modi ji.
Sir, may I please, my question to Mr. RP Singh is, Mr. RP Singh, if you both want to fight each other, go somewhere else and fight. Why do you fight at the expense of the drugs problem that has been going on in Punjab? Is this the Achhe Din that you promised, Mr. RP Singh? That the BJP and the Akali Dal will make a huge political issue out of the drugs problem in Punjab instead of tackling it jointly? Yes, Mr. Singh.
Well, let me start and begin with that what Mr. Bajwa is saying, that each police station is being sold or auctioned. I appreciate he should put documents or evidence on record if he has to put these open charges, these sort of charges on a national channel. Because this is bad and this is...
1 second, he is there, please let us put him on air, please. 1 second. He's saying something. May I please request our producers to have our panelists on air, please. 1 second.
Did the enforcement directorate also come up with summons to Bikram Singh Majithia? And it is the charge of the Congress that because his sister Harsimrat Kaur Badal is a cabinet colleague of Narendra Modi, these summons which should have come almost 6 to 7 months earlier did not come because there was pressure of the Badal family and the Majithias on Arun Jaitley, who contested his parliament election from Amritsar.
Mr. Bajwa, Mr. Bajwa, 1 second. Mr. Bajwa, first of all, it's 1 second, please, 1 second. Mr. Bajwa, can I check the audio link? Mr. Bajwa, can you hear me?
The gravity of the situation in Punjab.
Mr. Bajwa, this is not an election speech.
Mr.
Bajwa, it's a debate. Please listen to the others.
Did he go to High Court against Majithia? Did he go to High Court against Majithia?
This is a government of terrorists
Why
This
did
is
he
a government
withdraw
of
his petition
murderers.
as
Punjab
dismissed
and Punjabis,
from the High Court?
not
It
only in
was-
Punjab
it
and the
went-
world over,
It was
will
when-
never,
Can I
never,
please
ever.
put them-
Bhola was arrested.
These people will have to pay a heavy price. What these people are trying to do. Today they wanted to divert the attention of the nation.
Don't.
They were, on the contrary, they are challenging the armed forces. On the contrary, they are challenging the brave hearts of India. Is this the Shiromani Akali Dal? What kind of a government do we have?
You don't want
I
to go
appeal to the
court.
Prime Minister.
You want this
That
case
this is
to be
incredible.
settled.
Immediately
No, what's
You
it-
don't
a
want
fit
to face
case
the facts.
where
It is
President's
Punjab,
rule
it is
must be
Punjab
imposed in
which
the
is
state of
fighting this
Punjab
battle for this
under
country.
Article
He-
3.
I don't think-
And Sukhbir Singh Badal, the Deputy Chief Minister, who is inciting violence against the security forces, should be charged under 124A of sedition under the IPC.
Okay, so Mr. Bajwa, Mr. Pratap Singh Bajwa, please hear me.
Should be charged.
Please hear me now. 1 second, please. Don't speak all together, please. Mr. Bajwa, please stop for a minute. Mr. Bajwa, please stop. Mr. Bajwa, 2 minute के लिए रुक जाइए. No, Miss.
On the security forces.
I need to answer
It is for
Mr.
the first
Bajwa.
time
You
ever
need to give me time.
in the
This is
70
no
That is if Mr. Bajwa listens. Mr. Manjeet Singh,
has had the guts,
Mr. Bajwa, please stop.
not willing to listen
Yes,
to
I
the
have
whole
the
of
guts.
Punjabi world.
Mr. Bajwa,
Punjabi
did you
are
go
not
to the
willing
High
to
Court?
listen to
Mr. Bajwa, will you stop for a minute?
Why did
We
you
are not
withdraw?
willing to listen to these villains sitting in your studios because they are the murderers of the younger generation.
So will you listen to the others, please?
You are
Listen
the
to these
murderer.
people.
Mr.
These
Bajwa,
people
you are the
should be
murderer.
hanged.
Sonia
It
Gandhi
is
is
time
murderer.
these people are
Rajiv
booked.
Gandhi is
These
murderer.
people are
Rahul
hanged.
Gandhi is
They are the real
murderer.
murderers.
What are you
They
talking?
are the real
You have
culprits.
ruined Punjab.
This is a
you have ruined
government
Punjab
of drug
economically.
lords.
You have
This is a
put
government
the
of
drugs.
terrorists.
Did this
One
drug
of the
come
ministers
overnight?
in the
You are
present
responsible
government
for that.
on the floor of
And
the
I
House
think-
in Punjab Vidhan
you
Sabha in
should
the
have
present
got to
session
listen. You have said what you
I
want to
was
say.
a terrorist.
You are telling
I am
lies
a
on this
terrorist
channel
and I will
and you
remain
think
a terrorist.
everybody will listen
What
to
kind
you?
of a government are we looking
Why
for?
did you go to the court?
Arnab Goswami,
When
my appeal
2001,
to the
in
people of
2010
India,
when Bhola
my
was
appeal
elected,
to the
why
present
did
government
Amritsar Singh
in
release
Delhi
him?
is
It was Congress
immediately
government who released
put
him.
in the president's
We
rule,
elected him in
immediately
2013.
dismiss this
It
government,
was Akali
immediately
who was the-
arrest.
I am now requesting, one sec, RP Singh on one side. 1 minute, please. 1 minute, please, Mr. Bajwa. Please stop. Please stop, Mr. Bajwa. Mr. Bajwa, please stop. Mr. Bajwa, you have to stop. Mr. Bajwa, this is no way to debate. I request you, Mr. Bajwa. Mr. Bajwa, please stop. Please stop, Mr. Bajwa. Please stop. I want to put you back on air, but please stop. 1 second, Mr. Bajwa.
The BJP must withdraw support. The BJP must immediately withdraw
Let the
support.
BJP
This
respond to
government
that.
should be dismissed. We are not willing to listen to this.
Mr.
man.
Bajwa, I want to get RP Singh and you on the screen, please, if possible, if you care to listen to anyone. Mr. Bajwa, please listen. Please, Mr. Bajwa, stop. Stop, for God's sake, Mr. Bajwa, stop for a minute.
Guys,
Mr. Bajwa, will you stop for a minute? आप जरा एक मिनट तो रुक जाए. You think this is a political speech going on? My question to RP Singh, if he can hear me, because Mr. Bajwa is not going to stop. Mr. RP Singh, if you have a real problem happening with the Akali Dal on the drugs issue, why don't you just pull out of the government?
these people should be kicked out of this government. These people should be hanged immediately.
So, Mr. Bajwa, will you stop for a minute? Will you stop? RP Singh, Mr. Bajwa is asking. Listen to Mr. RP Singh, please, Mr. Bajwa. RP Singh, Mr. Bajwa, who's just been speaking non-stop, is asking if you have a problem with the Akali Dal, why don't you just break the alliance? Break the alliance. Don't let the Akalis drag the BSF into the drug
It's not
war.
matter of...
Yes. Now, Mr. Bajwa, please listen to others also.
100%, 100% we are... 100% we are that we should not make any political agenda or any political tool of the security forces. We should not do any of this dharnas or protestations against security forces. But Mr. Badal has on record later on said that it was awareness campaign. But we'll appreciate such awareness campaign should be done not on borders, should be done on some other places. And also that we are asserting whatever pressure within the democratic process and whatever within the norms on the government to go deep into this and dig out deep and ensure that who all are responsible for this should be punished. And let's be clear, they are saying 6 months enforcement director didn't react it. Please, it is the only enforcement director who reacted and called Mr. Majithia. And it's not that any pressure being asserted on Mr. Majithia, on enforcement director not to act on Mr. Majithia.
Mr. Singh,
let's be clear.
Mr. Singh, 1 minute. Your ally, the Akali Dal, I mean, this is not a joke. Hartosh, I'm sorry to come to you so late, but clearly the reason has been because Bajwa went non-stop and he wasn't listening to anyone. Hartosh, the fact is, the BJP and the Akalis are fighting like hell of late. And in the process, they have pulled in this whole drug issue into it. I mean, is it responsible anymore? Does this work? Are they glossing over some facts? Is there political shadowboxing happening over the entire drugs issue? And how long do you think this will carry on? Hartosh.
Arnab, nobody in Punjab is fooled. The person at the center of this controversy, Bikram Majithia, after all, was spearheading Arun Jaitley's campaign in Amritsar. Everyone in Punjab, even at that time, was raising his name in the same connection that he's being questioned today. Was the BJP not aware of this at that point of time? To come back to the Akali Dal and the accusations they are making about cross-border smuggling, pointing towards the BSF. Look, while I was reporting in Punjab, there was a clear understanding if there was a seizure of arms or drugs by the Punjab police, they would share that information with the BSF, tell them at which border area the crossing took place, and the BSF would investigate. Can the Akali Dal today point to any example where they've actually shared information with the BSF and asked for action at a particular haul of drugs, at a particular border crossing against particular BSF staff for letting this happen? Have they today woken up to this problem after ruling the state for so long? There is nobody here who's speaking straight. There are strains in this alliance as both are sort of jostling for the next elections. The drug problem is a serious problem, but both are playing around with the problem for their political ends. But I don't think anybody in Punjab is fooled by this.
Absolutely. Manjeet Singh, I think that we'll leave that as the last word, and next time we'll get you. No, Manjeet Singh, you can continue to play politics over the drugs issue. You are.
No, we don't want to play politics. Arnab, we need to answer. If on this channel that we are only to listen and whatever the decision is, that's fine. But I think you need to listen to us also. Mr. Bajwa has labelled us as terrorists. Mr. Bajwa has labelled us as drug addicts. As we are fighting the war of drugs for the country, not for Punjab only. And now the time is not there. Fine. Whenever the time is there, we are ready to speak.
No, I'm really sorry. Don't hyperventilate on one side, but you're not. If you have the courage today, then I want to ask you and RP Singh a simple question. Tell me, is this very convenient? You have said that there are 2 BJP-ruled states where the drugs are coming from, right? Haven't you said this, Manjeet Singh? Have you said this or not?
They are official in those states. They are official.
No, 1 second. No, 1 second.
And we need to check.
No, 1 second. So RP Singh, please tell me, how come the BJP-ruled states of Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh have allowed the production of drug-related plants? That is the accusation of the Akali Dal. Why are you allowing that?
I'll appreciate Manjeet Singh ji should check. This is not the drugs which are coming from across the border. These are the drugs which are manufactured within the state, one. And also that I'm very clear, and my party is clear from Punjab also, that let Mr. Majithia quit for a while.
No, I'm not talking about Mr. Majithia. No, I'm not talking about Mr. Majithia. My question is to Manjeet Singh. Manjeet Singh, on News Hour today, do you take back the charge that the drugs are coming from BJP-ruled states of Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh? Do you take back the charge? Do you admit that Sukhbir Badal was wrong?
No. This is a fact that in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, the drugs are being grown, number one. Not a single ounce of drug is produced in Punjab. This synthetic drug Mr. Bajwa was talking, this comes from Himachal Pradesh. And the heroin is coming across the border. Secondly,
No, one sec.
want to
No, one
ask
sec. Mr. RP Singh, Mr.
that
RP
did
Singh,
he go
therefore,
to
no,
the
Mr.
High Court
RP Singh.
against
Mr. RP
Majitia?
Singh, please tell
Did
me
he-
why
did he
are
go to
BJP
the
rule
High
states
Court and why
allowing
did
drug
he withdraw?
production? No, why are BJP rule states allowing drug production? Is Sukhbir Badal wrong? Why don't you contradict him openly?
Arnab,
Tell me.
I'm sorry, Sukhbir. I'm sorry, Akali-Dal, all other leaders need to produce some evidence on that account.
So
They have not
produce the
produced, they're
evidence.
just making statement.
Manjeet
Not
Singh
just
GK
produce
without
any
evidence.
statement
No,
on
one
that
sec. So
account.
Manjeet Singh GK, why is Manjeet Singh GK making those charges?
Arnab.
Why is
It's
Sukhbir
something like
Badal
Mr.
making
Bajwa
those
saying.
charges? Why are they?
One moment.
No, why are they? RP Singh, tell me why are they?
Arnab,
Why are they making those charges, RP Singh?
No, they need to prove. I mean, we are not making. They have nothing to prove on that account. And if anything to prove on that account, we'll take our
No,
government.
the answer
to
is
task for
simple.
that. But
The answer is simple. No, the answer is simple, Bhartosh. Both sides are preparing for a political divorce. You are building a case for it. Isn't that the whole issue?
No.
You are
I
preparing
think-
for a political divorce. You're building the case for it, Hartosh. Hartosh, I'm going back to Hartosh.
Absolutely.
I'm
And
going back to Hartosh.
both are
I'm
very
going back
well
to
aware
Hartosh.
that the drug problem will be one of the central charges of the electorate against this alliance. Both are trying to shirk off responsibility for a problem they've both nurtured for the last 7 or 8 years. And this history goes back. I mean, even the Congress contribution should not be ruled out. But the fact remains, it is in the posturing for the elections that they are going to blame each other for the problem, which will be one of the most crucial issues in the election that is going to come.
Well, absolutely it is.
We are not blaming each other. We will
Sir,
work together.
sir,
We
play
will
the
work
politics
together.
elsewhere. Play the politics elsewhere. We are going to investigate this whole drugs episode in great detail. And I can assure both the BJP, the Congress and the Akali Dal that there are many skeletons which are going to come out in the next few weeks. I thank you very much for joining me on debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight.